This was a basic shed. There was nothing inside. It had the walls, the roof, and that's about it. It had a door here, had 3 windows on it, and a door in the back that we recently, that was probably the last thing we've actually done, was take this door out, and we put in this small window, and we framed back up the wall. Other thing that we have put in is, we put these in. These are the first things we put in, because we're gonna add a loft up in the top, and then in here you're gonna have your bathroom. So that's also your, it's dual purpose. It's your ceiling for your bathroom and part of your loft. This is gonna be pretty much your mechanical room from here over. So this is all this is framed in, but so you're gonna have your hot water heater, your well tank, and of course the electrical box that's already there. We already have plumbing in here. We already have it ran out to the septic. We don't have the well hooked up yet. The well's here, just gotta get hooked up. But we have all the plumbing in ready for the well. We have our mini shower. Still working on it. We have our toilet. We have hooked up the electric to the shed, which we'll show you in a second. But I think that's all about pretty much all we've done in this shed so far. Go.
If you want to see our other video of our semi-off-grid shed right behind me, click the video right there. So this, we're taking you guys back to our compost bathroom here. So there's a pump right here. You get your hands soaked, rub it around, put this down with your foot, and water comes out.
Where's the water go?
Water goes into the bottom of this. So we also have the compost toilet right here. We don't use that very much because we've already got another toilet in the other bathroom, but not with working water. This is our off-grid shower right here. We've got this to cover up all your parts. You just have a bucket, 2 buckets right here. Dump 1 bucket on your head. Use this to scrub all of the soap all over your body. Get the other bucket, pour it on yourself, and you're done with your shower. That was this off-grid shower. So we made the shower out of some treated 2x6s and then some
Trex deck board.
yeah, some Trex deck boards. And this right here is some wood that we got out around.
Right over here, they just put the well in a couple weeks ago, and they're supposed to come dig a trench from the well up to the bathhouse, and sometime this week. So I guess Ivy's gonna go check it out for us. They told us they dug 229 feet ish or something like that. Don't fall down there, puppy.
being held hostage. No Esters. No Esther's chicken tacos. No TP ice cream. No jet ski. Do you want to stop bird nesting? Stop fishing.
Yeah, that's a bad one too. That's bad. This is how you effectively remove a bird nest. Yep, got it. Look at that. It's clean.
Oh, sure.
Clean. It's clean.
Don't ever let Clay use this thing
Clean.
again.
How
That's what happens when you let a 10-year-old get a bass fishing rod.
So, this is our badminton course and septic tanks right here. Boom, boom. Badminton course right here. This is the top of the net. This is the bottom right here. And usually we should be playing back and forth.